Today I'm printing this winter village and adding internal light tubes so the houses and the street lamp can glow more evenly from the inside. I use negative objects to create space for the battery compartment, and I designed light tubes that lead into the houses and the street lamp. Unfortunately, 3 of the channels didn't transfer into the final model, and I didn't notice it at first. I had to mill them into the printed piece afterward. After milling the missing channels, I route the light strip through them and secure it with modeling putty. With all channels installed and the lights mounted, the entire village now illuminates from within. Here's a bright view to show the details, and here's how the internal glow brings it to life in the dark. If you enjoy builds like this, consider subscribing. More prints coming every week.